everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we are going to solve this nice Olympiad math question. Germany, can you solve this one? So solution. Then here we have to copy what we have. X squared of x equals to 64. Alright, what we have to do is this one. We have to remove this square we have right here. That's why we're going to multiply. We're going to square both sides. Means that you have x squared of x squared equals to 64 squared, and we shall write x squared times x, which is equal to 64. This is 8 times 8 squared, and of course this will be x. Here have 1 to mean that once we have same base, we shall add power to get x power 3, which is equal to, this 8 is equal to 2 power 3 times 2 power 3, then squared. Then here x power 3 will be, this will be 2 power 6, then squared. At this stage, x power 3 equals to 2 power 12. What we have to do, we have to remove this 3 we have right here, so that we shall take x power 3, then square 1 over 3 to get equals to 2 power 12, then square 1 over 3. What do you do on one side? You have to do it on another side. To get what? Here we shall write x power 3 over 3 is equals to 2 power 12 over 3. And of course we shall write x, which is equal to 2 power 16, 2 power 4. Right? Then of course our x will be 16. And of course always have to check if the answer is correct, because I have given square root of x, and you have x right here, which is equal to 64, and we have 16 times square root of 16, which is equal to 64 question mark, and this is 16 times 4, which is equal to 64, and of course this will be 64, which is equal to 64, and left hand side, which is equal to right hand side, as then this is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.